Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Loraine at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which you can find in the description box below this video, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. On this channel I show you product reviews, software reviews and how to make money online. Today I have a review of a product called Plug and Play. Now this product, I do have access to the members dashboard, so we can look at that a little bit later in the video. So stick around to the end of the video where I can show you the members dashboard for Plug and Play. But what I want to do first is take a look at the sales page and the claims that the vendors are making. Now the vendors are Tommy E and Vic Carty. Now this product went live yesterday, October the 1st at 11 AM EST. So it's live now and you can make a purchase. Now I will go over to my bonus page as soon as we've had a look at the sales page, and then we'll have a look at the members dashboard. So let's go over to the sales page now.
Hey there, my name is Tom.
Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Plug and Play, and this is one of the vendors, Tommy E. The sales page is, he is going to tell you that nobody is doing this software traffic. It's basically to do with Twitter, and there is a hack that they are using within Twitter to drive traffic mainly to ClickBank affiliate products. With ClickBank, it's unlike JVZoo and Warrior Plus. You don't need to have pre-approval for lots of the products in the ClickBank marketplace. So you can choose a particular product that suits your particular niche and start to promote it using the traffic that this product can help you send over to your Twitter account and profile and to make sales. So this is Plug and Play, and what I suggest is that you take a look at the sales page. When you go over to my bonus page, you can click on any link which will take you to the sales page, and you can listen to the video that is on that sales page. Now what I want to do is go over now, because you can take a look at the sales page at your leisure. We go over to my bonus page, which there is a demo. Now on this demo, he walks you through. It's a very short demonstration. It's just over 2 minutes long, and Tommy will explain exactly that I've just said there about how this product helps you to get traffic, free traffic via Twitter to your ClickBank affiliate offers and start to make money and from your sales. So this is my bonus page. We'll just have a look at the funnel for Plug and Play and see how it looks. What you have is this unique, like I said, it's a Twitter traffic hack using the power of ClickBank. Now the front end of this product is $12.45. I do believe that there is a coupon off when you land on that sales page. I think it's about $3, so there's an opportunity there to get this for $9.45 on the front end. Now there is upsells included in the funnel, and you've got upsell 1 at $37 with a downsell of $27. Upsell 2 is done for you, which is $197 with a downsell of $77. Upsell 3 is done for you high ticket version, $197 and a downsell for $97. Then you've got upsell 4, which is a 1K a day affiliate system, and that's $67 and a $47 downsell. And upsell 5 is unlimited traffic pixel, $197 with a downsell of $97, and upsell 6 is license rights to the product, so you can be a reseller, and that's $167 with a $67 downsell. So this is the funnel that you'll be taken through if you decide to pick up Plug and Play through my link. Now that link will be the first link in the description box below this video. And like I say, any of the buttons on this page will take you through to the sales page. So any of these yellow buttons take you to the sales page, and you can browse all at your leisure what's included and the testimonials there. So if you are deciding to pick this up through my link, then you will get access to Continuum, which is the Continuum done for you. And then we have Continuum. Basically, it's a software. What it is a software training which will take you through it's basically like a webinar app, which helps you to create online tutorials and sales videos. So that's Continuum. Now the second bonus I have is Learn How to Blog. Now this is one of the first things that I actually learned and paid for a mentorship back in 2014 through a guy who is a well-known affiliate, John Thornhill. So basically I know that learning how to blog is one of the biggest things that you can do when you're looking to start online, and especially with affiliate marketing and things like that. So that's my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is Recastly. Now this is a monetizing strategy with Recastly, which is basically how you can use other people's videos, but also to put subtitles over the top of the videos. The reason being you can put these subtitles is that quite often when people are scrolling through social media on Facebook or Twitter, and a video is there, it's normally muted. There's no sound, so nobody knows exactly what the video is selling. It's just, you know, no way of knowing what is included in the video. So with Recastly, you can actually overlay subtitles. And so when someone's scrolling, if you've got a subtitle that says how to something Bitcoin, and someone's interested in Bitcoin, then basically they're going to be more interested in that video and stop scrolling, because they can see instantly by scrolling along what it's all about. So that's Recastly. And bonus number 4 is Eclipse. Now this is 12 hours only access to Eclipse, and Eclipse is another training it's another hack which takes other people's videos from YouTube or Facebook or via any different method of finding these videos, and using that with ClickBank in order to drive traffic to the ClickBank offers. So that is another product which works well with Plug and Play. So, and basically you would still get all of the vendor bonuses that are included with Plug and Play when you pick up this through my link, which is the first link in the description box below. So that is my bonus page and all of the bonuses. And like I say, this went live yesterday, Friday, 1st of October. And so I'm putting this video up today, which is Saturday. Now, we can take a look at the dashboard for Plug and Play. So we could do that now. And this is the dashboard on Plug and Play, and you do have the same demo video at the front end on the dashboard, which you can take a look at on my bonus page, because it's the same video. But the simplicity of this is you setting up, you're creating a campaign. It takes you through step by step. You've got landing pages in here, where you set up the landing page. You've got your statistics, you've got your traffic training section. So like I say, all of the training is included here, and you've got your free traffic training, which goes over some advanced methods on Twitter. I'll take you through that. Then you've got social traffic, set up the automated traffic, the software training. So this is all inside of the plug and play. The landing pages, create your landing page, the free traffic training, the support button, and it's all inside of this software and training. Like I say, using Twitter and driving traffic to ClickBank affiliate offers. So that is basically it in a nutshell. And if you like these review videos, please do give my a thumbs up, give my videos a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and you will be notified when I upload future videos. So that's all for now, and I will see you on the next review video. Bye for now.